Halloween.
Hello. Before our last election, this is a surprise. Something that started in February, I suppose, up in Belfast, and I suppose it's fitting that tonight might be more special because we're among our own people. Okay. And a big thank you to Cormac and his committee for remembering the old fogies from Tulloch. Now, we'll finish up with two reels. First one is called a local reel called The Road to Castle Island. And the second one comes from a friend of ours from Mount Collins, a great accordion player, lived in Boston most of his life, Eamon Flynn, and he composed it, and it's amazing the way names can come on tunes. He composed it in honour of his mother, and she was known as Nels Davy. So it's Nels Davy's reel from Eamon Flynn. Thank you.